Hi there. If you're looking to create Facebook ad account, here's the easy steps to do it. Search for business.facebook.com in your browser. Click on Help. Then click on Go to Business Manager. Then click on three lines. Then click on Settings. So here you are. Click on Add Accounts. Click Add New Account. Click on Create New Account. And enter the name of your ad account. It could be any, it doesn't matter in your advertising, just for your remembrance. Like I'm setting dynamic AB, just giving an example. Select the time zone, how you want to charge you, like how Facebook charge you on basis on the time zone and how it will report you. Like if you selected US timeline, it will share the reporting and the invoices according to UK time, US timelines. So I'm picking the London, just giving an example. Now you have to select the currency and like how your which of your cards quoted the currency. If you have multi-currency account, you can select any of it and it will be like deducted into your desired currency. So I'm selecting, just to give me an example, I'm selecting US dollar and then click on next. Who will use your business manager, like if add account, like if you are having an agency, you can select another business or client will use this ad account to manage their ads if you are having agency. And if you are having your own business and wanting to run own campaigns, then select my business. Then uh, which of the business manager contained this ad account, so you can it will be all already selected, you just need to agree on the policies. Then click on confirm. So here your ad account is created. Now you can add payment info into your ad account, or you can set it up later whenever you want. I'm just clicking to show you how you can add the details into your ad account. So my country is also picked up by default. If you are having different currency, you can select it country. So click on next. So here's the option to connect my card or the PayPal with it. So I'm clicking on debit card, and here the details you can add about your card. So I'm skipping this option. You can make it on your own, and it's very easy. So here's the ad account. Here's my ad account, and the settings that I can make is deactivating my ad account if I no longer use it. Assign people into ad account. If I'm having multiple persons, I can assign ad account to the other admins as well, like manage campaign and manage ad account. It's the full control that if you want to give here, you want to give to your friends. Assign. Now the partners, you can add multiple business managers into your ad account as well. And connected assets, you can also connect the other assets into your ad account as well. Like you can connect, we can say the uh, WhatsApp account and also the Instagram account and uh, the like other apps as well that you can connect with your ad account, so you can manage their advertising through it. Currently I'm having none, so I'm skipping this option. And is these are the options that are available for the ad account. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you in more. And if you find like your ad account is disabled or not working, you can type a message in comments and I will answer it the issues about it and their resolution of it.